Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit BBQ. Do you guys like to smoke whole turkeys or nothing but the turkey breast like I do? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I smoke a mesquite smoked turkey breast. Stay tuned. All right, let's get started on these mesquite smoked turkey breast. Now, first things first, I often get asked where I buy these really large turkey breast. I got these from Benny Keith, which is a food supplier for restaurants. Now, if you don't have an account with Benny Keith, check out a lot of your food warehouses like Shamrock Foods. They might have some of these really large turkey breasts as well. All right, so as you can see, we have two different sized turkey breasts right here, which means that one of these, which is a smaller one, is going to be done a lot faster, so we have to make sure that we watch the temperature on these turkey breasts. So first things first, I'm going to season the bottom side of these turkey breasts. Now, I like to start with a good coating of 16 mesh black pepper. So one thing that I want to mention is that these turkey breasts were pre-brined, which means they're kind of salty, so I had to rinse them under cold water just to remove some of that brine from these turkey breasts. That way they're not mega salty. Now, if you guys are going to be brining a whole turkey for the holidays, I would highly recommend this Tipsy Tom turkey brine and seasoning pack from PS Seasoning. Check them out at the link below. Now, since these turkey breasts were already pre-brined, I will not be using that brine from PS Seasoning. But if your turkey is not brined, I would highly recommend that kit. All right, the next seasoning that I'm going to be using is this Texas Rodeo Rub from PS Seasoning. If you guys have not tried this, man, you are missing out. It is mega tasty. And I'm going to add a ton of this rub. Remember that when you slice a turkey breast, you're only getting a small edge of the seasoning, so make sure that you over season your turkey breast. All right, pat that rub in. All right, let's season the top side. So here's a quick pro tip on turkey breast. A lot of times you're gonna have this real thin edge of this turkey. What I like to do is tuck that thin edge under the turkey breast just like that. Then we have a nice round turkey breast. All right, let's add some black pepper and this delicious Texas Rodeo Rub. So I'm going to be placing both of these turkey breasts on this cooling rack right here, and this rack will also go inside the smoker. It just makes it a lot easier to transfer the turkey breast in and out of the smoker. All right, these turkey breasts are nicely seasoned. I'm going to let these rest here on my counter. Meanwhile, let's go fire up the smoker. Stay tuned. All right, I'm outside of my Bison Red Dog offset smoker, and on today's cook, I'm going to be using Texas Honey Mesquite from Gourmet Wood Products. If you guys have not used Gourmet Wood Products, I would highly recommend them. Check them out at Academy Sports and Outdoors. And as always, I'm going to light my pit using my grill gun from Grill Blazer. Check them out at the link below. This gun has got some mileage on it, but trust me, it still works absolutely perfect. All right, so I've got my Bison Red Dog smoker running at 250 degrees. Let's go ahead and load up these turkey breasts. So I wanted to give you guys another quick pro tip. Anytime that you're smoking with mesquite wood, make sure you build yourself a really nice coal bed and then drop your small splits of wood on top of that coal bed. So I have found that if you build your fire that way, your food's going to have a really good mesquite flavor and it's not going to be off-putting or over-smoked. All right, check out these turkey breasts. That rub has sweated in nicely and that black pepper has come through. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Since we do have a large turkey breast, I'm going to put that one facing the firebox and the smaller one towards the exhaust stack. All right, so let me explain the internal temperature on turkey breast. Yes, turkey is ready at 165 degrees internal, but trust me, if you smoke your turkey breast to 165, it's going to be dry on you. I like to pull my breast at 158 degrees. Now, when you pull your turkey breast at 158 degrees, the internal temperature of that turkey breast will come up to 165 when it's resting. All right, so I'm going to shut the door. We'll check back in about 40 minutes. Stay tuned. All right, so total cook time has been 1.5 hours. Let's take a look at these turkey breasts. All right, let's get an internal temperature and see where we're at. All right, we're sitting at 100 degrees on the large turkey breast and 113 on the smaller one. So I am going to be wrapping these turkey breasts in foil, but not until we hit 135 degrees. I'll bring you guys back at that point. Stay tuned. All right, so at 2 hours and 20 minutes, the smaller turkey breast has hit 135 degrees internal. All right, so I'm going to pull off this turkey breast and wrap it up in foil. All right, there's our turkey breast right there. I'm going to be adding half a stick of butter. Wrap it up really nice and tight. and back inside the smoker. All right, so at this point, we just gotta wait for that larger turkey breast to hit 135 degrees. Then I'm gonna wrap it up, put some butter in the foil, throw it back in the smoker as well. I'm gonna pull these off, remember, once they hit about 158 degrees. I'll see you guys inside. All right, so the turkey breast is ready, and the total cook time was right at 4 hours, and it has been resting for about 15-20 minutes, but trust me, it is still plenty hot, and the aroma that's coming off of this turkey breast is amazing. Look at this awesome color right here. You know what, I'm gonna get an internal temperature and see what it is. Again, I pulled these at 158 degrees, and look at that, we're sitting at 168, 169 degrees internal. So that's proof that the temperature does come up while it's resting. I gotta tell you, I am really loving this color right here. Let's go ahead and slice it and see if we've got a nice, juicy, tender turkey breast. Well, I can tell you right now that this turkey breast is mega juicy. Not sure if you guys can see that on the camera or not, but check this out. Hopefully you guys can make it out. It is dripping. Look at this. That is juicy right there. That is absolutely beautiful. Really nice smoke ring as well. A lot of people like to cut their turkey breast really nice and thick, but I like really nice thin slices. Almost deli style. Look at that. Can you guys see the juices pouring out of this? This is absolutely amazing. And you see what I was mentioning earlier, when you're seasoning the turkey breast, make sure you over season it, because all you're gonna get is a small edge of seasoning. We got juices pouring out all over this cutting board. Let me get this large slice right here. Look at that. Nice and juicy. Again, sometimes you can't see the juiciness on this camera, but we got a really nice, probably a 1/2 inch thick smoke ring around the entire slice right there. Oh yeah, let's give this a taste. All right, let's see how we did on our mesquite smoked turkey breast. But look at that, once again, beautiful color, nice and juicy. I'm going in. Absolutely amazing. Really good mesquite flavor. Nice and juicy. Salt is perfect. This is good. So I rarely smoke with mesquite wood because it's really strong, but this turkey breast right here is absolutely amazing. You know what, I was gonna make a turkey sandwich off camera, but I wanna show you guys how I enjoy my turkey sandwiches, so stay tuned. All right, so let's make ourselves a turkey sandwich. I've got a Mexican bolillo bread right here. I'm just gonna cut it in half. Gotta have the Duke's mayo, and no, I am not sponsored by Duke's, but Duke's, if you're listening, hook a brother up. Plenty of mayonnaise, please. Just like that. Get a few slices of this thinly sliced mesquite smoked turkey breast. Oh yeah, that's perfect right there. Got some sweet yellow onion. Gotta have the onion. And then one thing I like to do is I like to season my mayo with some 16 mesh black pepper. Love this stuff. And this is how simple I like my turkey sandwiches. Look at that. Let's give it a taste. All right, let's give this turkey sandwich a try. Look at that. Simple mayo, turkey, and onion on Mexican bolillo bread. This is money right here. Here we go. I've been waiting all day to enjoy this turkey sandwich, and it is absolutely amazing. Can't forget your jalapeno. I know your mouth is watering, right? Guys, I gotta tell you, this mesquite smoked turkey is absolutely amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this is your first time to my channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, Joe with Smokin Joe Spit BBQ. See ya.